to Bass Mechanic Records and DJ Droppin'. You guys kick ass. They're using Truck Go Bang on the cover of the DJ Droppin' album, the new one that's coming out, For the Love of Bass. It looks sick. I got a test track off of that album, and I'll tell you what, guys, this song I'm about to play for you guys is the loudest song I have ever played in this truck. It freaking gets nasty. So you guys, I'll definitely be putting up links to the album as soon as it's available. You guys will have to get it. It's sick. Alright, you guys, so the song's called Bass Non-Stop. Let's do it. It's fucking nasty. I had to tilt you guys down a little bit, man. This soda that I got down here is about to fly out of the fucking container. Alright guys, definitely check out the album when it's released. Later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Glowed Audio, For the Love of Bass.